Okay everyone, this is the deal sheet and commission calculator basic tutorial. After downloading this, and you'll want to make sure that every time you download this you'll download the latest copy. Um, Once you've got it downloaded, you'll notice that there's all these spaces in white, and these are the spaces that you're going to be filling in. Some of them are optional, some of them are required, but you'll notice that I also have a lot of these pieces over here filled out by default. Understand that you can change these, but if it opens up with nothing filled in there, sometimes it'll cause some errors. So by default, we just have it set to the current day. We have it starting the first of the following month, and we have the offer expiring about a week out from when we give it out. So you can change that. You can also change the length of the agreement, whether it's a 12, 24, or 36. But going through here, you're just going to be able to fill this information out. So we'll just go ahead and use an example. Okay. Okay. All right, so as we're going through here, basically the way that you get any normal contract initiated is you're going to look at the different types of licenses. So I've broken this down. We have the two different types of deals we use, Salesforce and LMP. And then common to both of those types of licenses are the different team modules. So regardless of whether you're using LMP or Salesforce, we can sell local presence, call recording and monitoring, and all these other things. So generally speaking, you're going to be doing one or the other, and rarely ever, or not ever both. But with Salesforce, you're going to be doing something, say for example, let's just do a deal where we're going to have 10 power dialer licenses and 10 inbound licenses. You'll notice that you're going to see all these totals auto-populate. If you're going to put in a discount, you can always do that by writing over and putting in an arbitrary number. But the easiest way to get discounts across the board is to say just put in a number like this, 10%, and you'll have everything change automatically for you. You'll see the months reflected and the start date of the module or the license reflected over here as well. So if you do want to agree on a specific number, let's say that we just wanted to do these at $110 per, you can go ahead and just write that in there, and it'll do that, and it'll reflect the discount as well. One of the things you'll notice as well is that your implementation charges will automatically populate, and this will be depending upon whatever you've put in there. Also, by default, you're going to see your implementation being a reflection of whatever you've put up here. So if you've put 20%, you'll see 20% down there. Now, I've made it so that even if you do at 10% and you want to say only on the licenses, no discount on the implementation, you can do it like that. Or you can even say, let's do a 25% discount on the implementation. But you can do that all right there. So it's as simple as that. Adding additional modules, for example, local presence, you just type in a quantity of 1. It'll automatically do that. And then there is a corresponding implementation, but that does auto-populate for you. Similarly, you've got all these other different types of modules. What I will do is go over some of the specific rules on these. If you notice something acting funky, you may want to look at the module rules so you understand how some of these minimums are automatically calculating and formatting for you. But other than that, you fill out your basic implementation here, or your basic information here, and then what we'll do is in the next video on formatting, I will show you how you can basically get these proposals, or if you're an enterprise executive, the service order, to reflect exactly what you want, get rid of everything else. So that is the end of that video.